Kerana meluangkan masa untuk bersama-sama dalam majlis ceramah. Kalau ikutkan sejarah saya sendiri, saya mengenal sewaktu saya sedang belajar. Okey, tanpa melengahkan masa, majlis dengan segala hormatnya mempersilakan Tuan Imratul Najwa binti Abdul Latif, hormatnya dipersilakan.
Pada pagi ini, terima kasih. Boleh beri tepukan sikit tak untuk diri sendiri? Okey, terima kasih banyak. Okey, saya rasa saya mungkin akan berjalan-jalan, tak apa ke? Latif mungkin juga tak kenal. Okey, tapi tak apa, tak kenal nama saya tak apa. Boleh panggil saya tadi Abang Firdaus Abang Firdaus. Okey, saya boleh panggil saya Wawa. Nak tunjuk sama saya. Yang berada di sini sebenarnya you know how to manage your time already. Betul tak? Kan? Betul. Macam marah je okey gitu. Okay, so this is just from my point of view. Dan kalau ada input-input yang menarik tu, anda bolehlah ambil dan take it in a positive way, I would say. Okay, nantilah bila kita menjadi seorang pelajar, sebenarnya bukan just seorang pelajar, menjadi seorang human being, it's important for us to know how to manage our stress. Okay, and number 3, to sharpen English skills dan juga
ke masih terlalu awal untuk menjawab soalan? Actually very good. Thank you. Boleh tepukan sikit? Thank you. Okay. Oh, boleh. Terima kasih. Okay. So any other schedule, for example, in the morning we do this, in the evening we do that, and as students to make sure that we do all of our assignments on time, or have time to do curriculum, have time for parents, and all those things are in time management. The way we manage our time and the ability to manage our time effectively during examination, like doing our work effectively, also in a good way, but in that given work
tidur. Very honest, I like that. Lain? Main, ada masa keluar dengan kawan-kawan, betul tak? Okay, so my schedule, and I am able to achieve it, I would consider myself a champion lah. So, let's say hari ni, saya target, saya nak makan on time. Right, that is my goal for today. So, I make sure that I eat on time. And that is my goal, I achieve it. Okay, swimming, what else? Run. How long is the run? 5 km. Very long, okay? Anything else? Shopping, okay.
And then ada ruang sikit bagi kita tak ada apa-apa selain daripada ambil cuba sebagainya, I have time yang I free. So at that particular time last year, June 2024,
Right, I had this one experience where I get to sing with this one international artist. I'm not sure whether you guys know him or not, but his name is Grayson Chance. Okay, so he's an international artist from the UK. So I was 16 or 2, he was 14. So he came here and I got the opportunity to sing that song with him. Okay, during that particular event. When I met him, right, he asked me questions. For example, how are you? A barrier for me. Okay, so not only me being a student, boleh tulis dalam bahasa Inggeris, but I got A for English, tapi secara verbally I cannot communicate with people.
Lagu Cinta Betul. Boleh? Tadi saya tak cakap boleh. Boleh, tapi kita nyanyi sama-sama boleh tak?
Terima kasih banyak-banyak kerjasama yang diberikan kepada.
Abang rasa
input yang kita dapat hari ini sangat-sangat bermakna, sangat-sangat yang kita boleh bawa. Okey. Fotografer, boleh?
Sekejap.
Okay, tadi tu cuma. Alright, ini betul-betul ya. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Gardenia. Gardenia. Okey, dengan itu tamatlah sudah program kita.